Hello, everyone. Today we're discussing LucidLink, a cloud-native file service designed for extensive data access and collaboration. LucidLink's file spaces technology provides secure global access to data directly from the cloud. It is ideal for remote teams or workloads that require instant access to large files or data sets, regardless of location. LucidLink offers a range of impressive features. With its unique streaming technology, you can access files immediately as if they were stored locally. It provides end-to-end encryption for secure data transfer. It also seamlessly integrates with existing applications, requiring no additional software or hardware. Plus, it offers on-demand scalability, meaning you can scale up or down depending on your requirements. LucidLink operates on a tiered pricing model. The pay-as-you-go plan costs 0.03 per GB per month, while the 100 T buys plan offers a reduced rate of 0.2 per GB per month. They also provide a 1 PB plan at an even lower rate. There's also a free trial available, so you can test out the service before committing. LucidLink is ideal for several use cases. It's perfect for remote teams needing to access and collaborate on large files. It's also great for industries like media and entertainment, where high-resolution content needs to be accessed instantly. Additionally, it's suitable for backup and disaster recovery purposes, as well as for research and development teams dealing with big data. The advantages of LucidLink are numerous. Its streaming technology allows for instant access to data, eliminating download wait times. Its end-to-end encryption ensures your data is always secure. It's also highly scalable, so it can grow with your business. Plus, its compatibility with existing applications makes integration easy. However, LucidLink does have some limitations. It requires a stable internet connection for optimal performance. Also, while its pricing is competitive, costs can add up for larger data volumes. Lastly, although it supports a range of applications, compatibility issues may arise with lesser-known software. In summary, LucidLink offers a secure, scalable solution for remote data access and collaboration. Its unique streaming technology and end-to-end encryption make it a standout choice. However, it's essential to consider your internet stability and the potential costs for large data volumes. Overall, LucidLink's strengths in security, scalability, and data accessibility make it a compelling option for many businesses. While it's not without limitations, its benefits could outweigh these for many users. As always, it's crucial to consider your specific needs and circumstances before choosing a solution. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis like this. Stay tuned.